Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if you still don't get notes feature on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. On Instagram homepage, just hit at the DMs icon to move on to your DMs, and right here you can find at my account that notes feature. That's quite new Instagram feature that allows you to set status or some additional information and to show it to your contacts right here at Instagram DMs at the very top. But if you can't find this feature here, you may try the next solution. So first you can open up the App Store and then just search for Instagram. And then if this button says update, you can just hit on that to update your Instagram to the latest version, because Notes is quite new Instagram feature and your app has to be updated to the latest version. Once you did that, you can open up Instagram and you can check if Notes feature available right here at your DMs. If it still doesn't work, you can try the next solution. So I figured that if you switch your Instagram account to professional and then if you switch it back to personal account, it in some cases may help you to solve some bugs or glitches on Instagram. So first hit at your profile picture to move on to the profile, then hit at menu icon and select settings. Then get into account and scroll down to the very bottom where you can switch your account to professional. Just hit at continue all the time, then hit done, hit at OK, and that converts your account to the professional. You can just hit on next, next again, and that's it. I have just switched the account to a professional account. Now I can go to DMs, and you can do the same to check if the notes option is available for you right now, and if it's here you can now move on to settings, account, and in the same way you can switch your account from professional to personal, or you can keep it professional. But if the notes option still doesn't here, you can try the next solution. So just hop out Instagram for now and get into settings. Then scroll down, get into general, iPhone storage, then wait for some time, and once it shows you the apps, just go through all of that list until you find Instagram, and right here you have to force reinstall Instagram app, because it's probably some bugs and glitches that you can't remove manually. So you can just hit at offload app, then hit at offload again to remove Instagram app core files, core data from your device, and after that you can hit at reinstall app to download and install Instagram from the scratch. Now it's being downloading the latest Instagram version, and after the process is finished you will get the latest Instagram app version without any bugs, any glitches, any errors, and then you are able to use Instagram app without even re-entering your login data and password. Just hit at Instagram icon at your home screen and then just check if notes feature available for you. Just open up Instagram, get into DMs, and then write down in the comments below if it helps you or not. And also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.